Hey, what's up, XRP holder? We will talk about, my friend, the XRP price prediction. We will talk about the XRP technical analysis, and also we will, my friends, tell you something very special update about XRP. So let's get started this brand video without any doubt. But kindly, if you are new my channel, first of all, subscribe this channel, and after that, press the bell icon for videos notification. My brothers, the price you can see here lost now in last 7 days minus 14.33%, but you can see, my friend, definitely here is not a big difference. It's a very small difference. I hope they will easily do this and they will again moving upward, they will wake up. But absolutely exactly, if we just and only check out here, my friends, just and only check it out. Yes, my brother, you can see here after a shot, just and only I will close the zoom, my friend. Absolutely, after a jump, after a dump, absolutely every coin will pump. So you can see here this coin will fails down, but after that the price will moving upward. So just and only that's all need, my friends, to how you can handle it. And can upcoming days, my friend, we will do this. But definitely, my friend, some holder are very crazy now, my friend. They are stuff when they will see, my friend, the short profit, so definitely they are starting selling. So I request you to don't start selling like this, otherwise you will lose. So thanks for watching, XRP holder. My prediction is gone positive. My technical analysis for all of you, my friend, is also very simple now. To please don't do a fight. I hope, my friend, in upcoming days no one can be ready for fight. But please holder, like video and also subscribe this channel.